Now that we know our brain has 40,000 thoughts, let's try the bubble blow.
Sit comfortably in your chair or on the floor. Listen to calm music and breathe normally. With each exhale, pretend to blow some thought bubbles away and make space in your brain with each inhale. Make sure only your belly should be moving, not your shoulders. Continue breathing normally and listen to music. No one should hear your breath because this means that you are breathing too quickly. Well done! Focus on the music and blow those thoughts away. You should now feel more in control of your thoughts. Practice mindfulness whenever you feel like you have too many thoughts in your head. This will help you clear your mind.
Ask a grown-up to download our Bath Game app for more social-emotional learning activities. And do like, share, and subscribe.